Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how we could use the file menu in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to do that I'm going to open the PowerPoint application once again, and I'm choosing a blank presentation. So you can see whenever we are going to open a file in Microsoft PowerPoint, there will be a blank presentation. Now my first task is to save this file. To do that I'm going to choose the file menu. Here you can see that there is a save as. So you can see save as well, but there is a difference between save as and save. I'm going to tell you what's the difference right now. Whenever you are going to create new document, then you must use the save as first, and after creating that and saving that, whenever we are going to add something new elements there, then we are going to use the save option at that time. So I'm going to choose the save as first. I'm going to save it in the desktop. So our presentation, I'm giving it a name, and I have already choose it will save in the desktop, so I have clicked this save. Now I can close this file. So this document, as I told you at the beginning of this tutorial, whenever we are going to save the document under a name, then the name will be displayed here. So our presentation, the name is displaying here. Now I'm going to close this file, but not going to close this application. So to do that I'm clicking on save, and then I'm clicking on the close. So you can see that Microsoft PowerPoint application is not going to close, but the file already closed. Right now we are going to open the same file again. So to do that I'm clicking the save menu, file menu, sorry. Then I'm going to click on the open, and it asks me where to open. So if we want to open it from some other section of the hard disk, then we can choose the browse, and we can choose our local disk, hard disk drive, different segments. But right now our file is available in the desktop, so I'm choosing the desktop, and you can see that in desktop our presentation file is available. So I'm just selecting the file and click on the open. Then you can see our file is open. Right now we are going to write something just like components of desktop. Okay, so this is our first slide, and we have done one editing. Now we can use the save function, as I mentioned to you. So this file already we have saved, and right now we are going to save the changes we have just made. So to do that I'm clicking on the file, and then I'm going to save. So you can see, if I just close the file right now, and then I'm going to open it again, you can see the changes we have made here. It's right now available. If we want to save this file as a new file, then we have to use the save as again, just like save as. So I just write our presentation file 2, then and save, and I'm just minimizing it for the right time being. As you can see that in our desktop, our presentation and our presentation file 2. So this is the differences between the save and save as under the file menu. So I'm going to delete this one, as it is open right now, it cannot be deleted, so I'm going to close it first, minimizing it, and I'm going to delete this one. Now I'm going to open that one again. So our file is open. Now another options we can choose, save as Adobe PDF. So if you want to save this as a PDF file, just we can use the save as PDF, so that the outcome file will be like PDF. Okay, so it asks how it will be saved. So if I choose PDF files and choose the destination as desktop and click on the save, then it says it's initializing the PDF library. So it's right now going to publish it. So in this way we can save our files as PDF format if we don't want to save it as a. So you can see that it's actually turned into a PDF file, and we are going to see the PDF file as well in the PDF format. So I'm going to close it for the time being, and I'm going to show you. So this PowerPoint right now turning into a PDF file. So in this way we can choose our files format. So we can choose different formats as well, just like if you want to save as the type, as you can see that it is the PowerPoint format right now. If you want to choose it PDF, XPS document, or Office theme, or as a video, or an image, or a GIF file. GIF, it means graphics interchange format, and PNG, and whatever format we want to save, we can use the different formats from this drop down menu, and we can save the files as per our wish. Then there is a print option. So if we choose the print option, and we have to choose the printer. So right now in my laptop there is no printer connected, but whenever you have connected a printer, it will do an auto setup. Then you can choose your printer from this drop down menu, and you can choose your printer, and then you can go for the print. So here are other settings of the print, just like you want to print all the slides, or if you want to print the current print slides. Whenever you have more than one slide or 5 or 6 slides, you can choose from there from which slides you want to print, or you want to choose the current slides as well. There is a custom range as well. So from custom range you can choose the slide number, just like you have 6 slides available, but you want to print only slide number 2, 3 and 6. So in this way you can write just 2, then a comma, then 3, then 6. Just in this way you can customize your prints. And then there is a share option, so you can share with the people you are collaborating in your offices. You can email them, and you can you can present it online. And there is an export option. You can export just like it works as a save as, just like you can download it as PDF or XPS, or you can make it into a video. And the close option I have already showed you, and in my previous tutorial I have discussed what actually accounts here. After signing in with your Microsoft Office account, the details will be available here, and this is the feedback we can give to the Microsoft corporations based on the services we received. And the options, this one I already discussed in the intro section. So these are the general one, and the proofreading, it will detect any types of spelling mistakes, and the save option already available here. Then the language you can choose, different languages. Right now we are having language that are United States, easy to access. This one is not widely used, but you can use show shortcut key in the screen types, show the start screen when this application starts, just like you can mark it or unmark it. And there is an advanced setting, so you can choose the undos. That means if you made any mistakes or you want to get back to your previous section, you can choose the limit. Right now it's 20. I will show you how we can undo and redo it when we are going to do some formatting and use smart cut and paste as well. We will discuss, or I will show you how it works in the formatting. There's a customized ribbon. This one I already showed you which ribbons we want to display in the main tab. So from here we can choose it or unchoose it as well. And quick access toolbar, this is the quick access toolbar. Right now these are available here. If we add something new, just like save is already available, so if we choose one, just like here, copy and add, and I just click OK. So you can see the copy is here, and we can delete it from the place we actually choose it. So options, advanced, customize ribbon, quick access toolbar, just I'm choosing it and I'm clicking remove. So this one, and after clicking OK, it will be removed from here. And add-ins, if we need some add-ins, these are actually advanced level thing. Right now we don't want to use any add-ins. Just like if you want to add some add-ins, you can go to the command section and you can go, it will show you some add-ins. And if you want to add more, you can download it from Microsoft Office and then you can add here. So this is all about the functions of the file menu. So I hope you have learned a lot here, and in next tutorial I will move to the home menu and I will teach you how actually the functions under the home menus are working. So thank you for watching.